Hi guys! I just came from the gym. Nag-exercise ako. Today was leg day. And ngayon for breakfast, I'm gonna make a protein smoothie. Kasi nakakatulong yung protein in building muscles. So kung feeling ko minsan kulang ako sa protein, gumagawa ako nitong smoothie kasi ang sarap. But this time, lalagyan ko siya netong Lauren Coco MCT. Pwede pala to ilagay. It will make my protein smoothie healthier. Hindi natin alam yun. Hindi ko to alam dati. So, I'm gonna teach you how I make my protein shake. So, here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. First, I'm gonna put milk, and I choose to use almond milk kasi for me, mas masarap siya. Tapos, less calories pa. And then, I have this protein powder that Cici gave. And then, 140 grams of frozen strawberries. Mas mura to eh. 300 lang isang pack na malaki. Ito yung fresh kasi parang 600, diba? 500. Tapos ang konti lang. So, this is how 140 grams of strawberries look like. So, ilan yan? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Mga roughly 18 pieces. And then, here, I'm gonna use itong Lauren 100% Coco MCT na oil. Ilalagay ko sa captions mamaya. Bakit siya beneficial for us. So, since ako yung gagawa ng protein smoothie, hindi siya complicated, no? Kasi ayaw na natin yan. Ayaw na natin ng complicated. Charot. So, I'm gonna put the strawberries frozen and then yung cup ng protein powder. Masarap to eh. Parang vanilla flavor. Gusto ko i-try yung ice cream. Vanilla ice cream flavor. Hindi ko kasi siya mainom na ito lang tsaka tubig eh. Kailangan ko siya ihalo with something. And then, magme-milk ako pero 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup lang. Kasi, kinukontian natin yung calories and fats as much as possible. And then, ito na nga guys, yung Lauren MCT oil. They have a smaller bottle. So, ito muna yung gagamitin ko. I'll put 1 tablespoon. Diba, pwede pala haluan ng oil ang protein shake to make it healthier. Sa yung takip. Ganun lang. Ang bilis oh. Hindi na nakipaglaban yung hindi na nakipaglaban yung strawberry. So, actually, yun na yun. Iti-taste test na lang natin kung masarap nga. Hiramin natin tong Stanley Cup ni Summer, ni Anika Summer. At dito ko ilalagay para hindi siya matunaw agad. So, you know bakit healthy yung yung Lauren Coco MCT. Do you know that it helps burn more fat if you take it? Pwede siya ihalo kahit saan eh. Pwede siya ihalo sa sabaw, ihalo sa coffee, ihalo sa kahit anong drink. Tingnan mo, itong smoothie ko may MCT oil. Kasi di ba oil siya, akala nyo masustore siya as fat. Hindi. Yung Lauren MCT oil, hindi siya nasustore as fat sa katawan natin. Ang saya, di ba? And it helps burn more fat sa katawan if we take it. Tapos, for people like me, no, na oh my God, ang sarap. Walang lasang kahit anong oil, wala. Ang sarap ng shake ko. Ako na yung best protein smoothie maker. Charot. And I did it with the Lauren MCT. Anyway, doon sa mga nagpapapayat, like me, I want to lessen my body fat. No? Not necessarily babaan yung weight, but I want to lose or I want na pababain yung percent body fat ko. Kasi girls, kunwari, ito yung natutunan ko lang. Kunwari, same weight, no? Same weight. Kunwari, 120 pounds na tao. Yung itong tao na 120 pounds, tapos 35% yung percent body fat niya. Tapos ito naman isa is like nasa 25% body fat. Kahit pareha sila ng weight, itong mas mababang percent body fat will look leaner. Doon tayo, look leaner. So, hindi weight. So, eto na nga. Sorry. Ang sarap talaga. Anyway, yun na nga. Itong Lauren 100% Coco MCT, it's an effective weight control agent. Ito, if you take it, siguro mga 1 tablespoon before meals, mawawalan ka ng gana kumain. Para mako-curb yung appetite mo, which will make you eat less. 'Di ba? So, okay siya. And yun, our body doesn't store this as body fat. Kaya, maganda siyang i-complement para sa ating diet. We can put it sa smoothie, sa kape, sa pagkain. Pwede siya gamitin. And, syempre, kailangan natin ng proper diet together with this. Hindi ito pag ininom mo, papayat ka bigla. Proper diet pa rin. Tutulungan lang tayo neto magpapayat. And, exercise, we need to exercise regularly, not once a month. It's like regularly dapat. Eto pa. Ang sarap talaga. Sorry, wait. This helps strengthen our immune system. It gives us more energy. Sorry, hindi ko alam kung bakit, kung hindi manok, eroplano, dito ang naririnig sa bahay ko sa umaga. So, hindi ka talaga makakatulog dito ng hanggang tanghali. Kasi gigisingin ka ng eroplano, gisingin ka ng mga manok. Hindi ko alam kung bakit may manok dito. Anyway, sorry. Lauren will give you more energy so you can do more work or physical exercise. Lauren is good for the heart. Kailangan natin to. It's good for the heart. It lowers cholesterol. Okay? So, hindi niya necessarily mahihilang heartbreaks. Pero you will have a healthier heart. Again, with proper exercise. And then, Lauren MCT helps with the digestive system. Gaganda yung digestive system mo if you drink it regularly. So, maganda talaga to incorporate this dito sa ating diet. Wala siyang lasa. I mean wala siyang kakaibang lasa. So there, if you're an athlete like me, or just trying to lose weight and be healthy, manok pabor. If you're an athlete like me, or just, want to be healthy, maganda i-supplement yung diet natin with Lauren Coco MCT. I will put all the other benefits pa of taking Lauren Coco MCT dito sa captions. Okay? So, we have to go because I have to take Anika somewhere. See, nagbibigay ito ng energy. And as a single working mom, kailangan ko all the energies that I can get. So, thank you to Lauren. Have to go. Kanina pa ako fina-follow up na maligo ng anak ko. See you guys!